Hi there, this is Just a Girl in Camas, Alicia King, and I am here for a fun interview today. I think you're gonna like this. We are at Storybook Dental and we are meeting with Dr. Shu today. Very nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you as well. Thank you.
I was invited to come into this dental office, and I gotta tell you guys, I don't know about you, but I don't remember a pediatric dentist when I was going. In fact, I went to a dentist over in Portland. It was a cousin of my mom's. It was wonderful, but there were adults there. It was a very grown-up dental office. And these days, there are these amazing pediatric dentists. And I have to say, your dental office is beautiful.
Well, thank you very much. We strive to create an environment where kids might be comfortable. This is about as undental looking as you can get. Try to minimize the equipment and things, but create an environment where kids can, let their imagination take over and be comfortable in this setting.
And not worry about what's going on inside their mouth.
Exactly, because all we are really doing is just taking a look and cleaning.
Even you talking, I'd be comfortable with you doing that.
Well,
so I'm sure these kids come in here and are okay with you checking their mouth out.
We generally can work our magic with them, yes.
That's awesome. So just to give you a visual, because I do have some pictures we're going to show on this video, but to kind of walk you through the office, you're going to come in the door, and as a parent, you might come in the door for you, or you might come in the little door that's to the side. In the bathroom, you'll probably use the larger toilet, but the child might use the smaller one and also the small sink to wash their hands. There's a magic secret door. There is kind of a peekaboo look and find little thing on the wall. And I know you have a lot more creative things that are coming, but you're in your beginning process here. But I love what you've done so far.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I have been in the county for about 10 years. Working with a larger group organization where many doctors and many dental disciplines share the same dental space. And over time, it became more and more clear that children really would prefer a slightly more imaginative environment. And I approached the group, and they weren't willing to do the investment, so I figured I'd try to do it myself and see what happens.
I love it. So you're branching out on your own. Yes. This is your own business.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, and so you're backing all of this, and this is from all your ideas and creativity.
Yes, we had a good team of people that helped me put this together, but yes, this is my own business. We opened our doors for patients on January 25th, so we are barely a month and a week old. But so far we have had many kids be able to come through and enjoy the environment we have created for them.
That's wonderful. So just a little bit about your background. So you just said that you have worked at another dentist for the last 10 years. I'm assuming before that you were getting your schooling for this.
Yes.
So where did your passion or the idea to gear more towards children come from? Do you enjoy working with them? Dr. Shu has 5 kids, by the way. He was just sharing with me, ranges 13 to 1. Last one was a little surprise, but I'm assuming you have some experience with children.
Yes, yes, I do. So I went to University of Washington for dental school.
Should we give a Go Huskies shout out?
or their new thing, I guess. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how they do this. Yeah, something like this.
Awesome.
Yes, I went to University of Washington for my biochemistry undergraduate degree, and then went to dental school there. And then at about year 3, you kind of are trying to figure out what you want to do, and as far as specialization, if you choose to do that. I thought about orthodontics, but after all those years practicing how to, fix a tooth up, it feels kind of weird to give that up. The other disciplines, though, like the root canal people or the crown bridge implant people, I mean, as fun and exciting as those are, I find myself lacking the patience for it.
Did you just say fun with the word crowns and fillings? Did you put that in the same sentence?
Yes, I just did. Sorry.
I think that's for you. That's fun to think about how that would work.
Well, here it's all fun.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, so it just it came out that I think I've realized I'm kind of a big kid in disguise, and so And come to find out, that turned out to be true. Over the last 10.5 years, I really figured out that my attention span is about as long as theirs.
I love it.
And
Would your wife attest to this?
I think she would. I think she would.
Perfect.
Yeah, so anyhow, so as I decided to pursue pediatrics, looking across the country for various programs and looking for a good program that would give me a lot of varied experience, I ended up luckily matched into the North Carolina Chapel Hill residency.
North Carolina, fun.
Yeah. The only residency in the country that has 8 board-certified full-time faculty members.
Wow.
And the training was just superb. And
Wonderful.
and so it took a little longer. So it's a 3-year program. Many of the pediatric programs are 2 years, but in 3 years you really get to learn a lot, and not only the breadth but the depth of the variety of topics. So.
Wonderful.
Coming out, I feel really, really fortunate and really prepared to be able to serve the kids, and had a great time over the last 10.5 years with serving people all over the community. I was at Salmon Creek, Hazeldale, Vancouver Mall, Battleground, and here as well, just up the street. Met a lot of great families, great people, but it's just time to come up with an environment that fits me better and fit the kids better.
Wonderful. And blossom on your own.
Yeah, well, hopefully.
Yes. No, I can tell. So Dr. Shu is in Camas. You're going to go on 192nd, and he's tucked in here. You're tucked in between All-Star Orthodontics and what's on the other side of you?
Mind and Body.
Mind and Body,
Yes,
that's right.
That's another Dr. Shu from China. Who does acupunctures and holistic medicine and Eastern medicine.
Great.
So, yeah.
It could be one-stop shopping down here.
It could be.
Yeah. Well, I want to welcome you to the community. And I want to say that someone that your path had crossed with in the past had reached out to me. Her name was Felicia.
Yes.
And had told me what a wonderful gentleman this was and would love for me to feature this dental office that was opening. So I have to say kudos to you. I'm glad that she encouraged me to get a hold of you.
Well, yes, Felicia, thank you.
Shout
and
out.
she's about to have a baby, in fact. So, yeah, we look forward to welcoming another baby.
Yeah, I wonder, maybe she'll stop with 1 or maybe 5, who knows, right?
This, I think, might be her second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, second, that's a good adjustment. Well, I have to say it was a pleasure to meet Dr. Shu, and he is the fun guy. He showed me his superhero costume closet. So if your child is uncomfortable, he will put one on. I think there's an Avenger in there. There's Prince Charming girls. What else was in that closet?
For Star Wars fans, we have Darth Vader, and then there is also a Batman with that Lego movie coming out, and a Huntsman whenever that genre comes around again. Great. I will be whatever your child wants me to be.
So I just met you, but I can tell you're very kind right from the beginning.
Well, thank you.
And I can tell that you have a passion for this pediatric dentistry. So I think you're going to be a great spot here in Camas.
I hope so. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So you can find Storybook Dental on Facebook.
Yes.
You can drive by and come in. I'm sure if they look you up, the phone number's there. Any other ways to get a hold of you?
So there's a website, www.storybookdental.com. Our phone number, 360-216-1130. And if you happen to walk by and wonder what this tree is doing inside the building, come on over. We are open for tours all day.
I love it.
All the time.
First of all, I love that you said W. I'm going to use that. And I do think this is so fitting. As you know, Just a Girl in Camas, I am a fan of trees, and I love it. And I just think it's a sign that there was a tree in this office when I came to do this interview.
Good.
All right. Okay, so check out Storybook Dental. It's a new pediatric dentist in Camas, Washington. This is Just a Girl in Camas, Alicia King. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.